How to convert a PDF to Word for free 2026. Almost everyone has dealt with this problem. You receive a PDF file, you open it, and then you realize you actually need to edit the contents. Now, maybe it's a resume, a contract, class notes, or a business document, or a form someone has sent you. But PDFs are designed mainly for viewing, not editing. So beginners often assume they need expensive software or technical skills to convert PDFs into editable Word documents. Now, the good news is that in 2026, converting PDFs to Word files has become dramatically easier. There are now multiple free methods that work directly from your browser desktop or even your phone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to convert PDFs to Word for free, which tools work best, how to preserve formatting, and how to avoid the most common conversion mistakes. So before converting anything, it is important to understand why PDFs are going to behave differently. PDF files are designed to preserve formatting exactly as intended. Now that means fonts are going to stay fixed, layout remains consistent, and documents look identical across devices. Meanwhile, Word documents are designed for editing. So when converting a PDF into Word, software has to reconstruct text, layout, images, tables, spacing. This is why some conversions look perfect while others become quite messy, especially with all the complicated PDFs out there. So let's start with one of the easiest methods. Modern versions of Microsoft Word can open PDFs directly. Here's how. You're going to open up Microsoft Word as it is in front of you, and here you're going to click Open. Now, once you click on Open, you're going to go to this PC, or you can click on Browse. And once you click on Browse from here, you can browse your files and actually open up a PDF if you want to. So let's say we have this file right here. You're going to open it up, and Word is automatically going to attempt to convert the PDF into an editable document. For simple PDFs, the results are often surprisingly good, and this works especially well for text-heavy documents, notes, simple reports, or resumes. However, more complex layouts may require cleanup afterwards. So once it gives you this prompt, you're going to click on OK. And as you can see, Word is going to attempt to convert it into a document file that you can, as you can see, go ahead and edit efficiently, change according to yourself. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's talk about browser-based tools, because that's what we're mainly here for, because not everyone has access to the Microsoft Office. There are many websites that allow free PDF conversion effectively online. So if we come over here, we have a lot of popular options that include websites like Small PDF. Okay, so we open this up, then we have I Love PDF. This is a good website as well. And then we have Adobe Acrobat Online. So these are three pretty popular and pretty good platforms that basically allow you to go ahead and fix your PDF into a Word file efficiently and as simply as you want to. Okay. And you can work around them pretty easily and pretty simply. So let's say we have Small PDF here, right? Small PDF can actually go ahead and convert your PDF into any files that you want to. So let's say I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on choose files. All you're going to do is you're going to upload the PDF that you want converted into a Word file. And once we do that, as you can see, it simply goes through the uploading. You're going to let the tool process it, because what it does is it actually studies the file. It sees what it needs to change. It sees what it doesn't need to change. You're simply going to wait for those things to load up. Once that happens, you can simply have it converted into a Word document. You can also go with any other file format, but let's say we click on Word and it says choose, your plan. You can go with advanced versions, but I'm simply going to go with the most basic one and click on convert. And once you do that, your Word document is going to be available to download. So you simply hit on download over here. And once you hit on download, what's going to happen is the file is going to come straight to you. And you can simply go ahead and open it up. You can see that Word will automatically go ahead and give you the document in front of you. And just like this, you can do the same with all of these other ones that I've talked about. Then we go to I love PDF. Obviously, in this as well, you're going to go with PDF to Word. And most softwares are going to offer this conversion because this is a very popular conversion. Many people want to edit PDFs in different certain ways. And for those different certain ways, they do use converters. And these converters are really valuable and quite saturated in the field. So in the same aspect over here, you're going to select the PDF file. And once you select the PDF, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on continue. And as you can see, it starts at conversion. Now, this is extremely convenient because you don't need to install anything. And for casual use, these tools actually work very well. Now, here's things where it gets interesting. Some PDFs are actually scanned images, not real documents. Okay, this means normal conversion tools may fail. In this situation, you need OCR, which is optical character recognition. It allows software to recognize texts inside images. Now, many modern PDF converters, like this one right here, has OCR automatically. Okay, so, if I click on select PDF file and I choose my PDF, you're going to see that it is going to do that. And now it's going to give me an option of OCR. So if it's an unscannable file, OCR will go ahead and help us with printed documents, scanned notes, physical paperwork, or old documents. Without OCR, scanned PDFs usually become non-editable images inside Word. You can also convert PDF files directly on smartphones. Apps and browser tools now make this possible on both iPhone and Android devices. This is quite useful when, you're traveling, using school documents, working remotely, or quickly editing files on the go. Cloud-based tools make mobile conversion much easier than it used to be. Now, one of the biggest problems with PDF conversion is formatting issues. Things like broken spacing, shifted images, misaligned tables, font problems. Now, these usually happen with complex layouts. So to improve the results, use high-quality source PDFs, avoid heavily scanned documents when possible, use OCR for image-based files, and choose tools optimized for layout preservation. Simple documents convert much more cleanly than heavily designed PDFs. After conversion, you'll usually need some cleaning, like adjusting spacing, fixing headings, repositioning images, checking fonts, and reviewing formatting carefully. Never assume conversion is perfect automatically, especially for professional documents. So, what's the best option overall? For simple PDFs, go with Microsoft Word. Okay. Then for quick browser conversions, go with Small PDF and I Love PDF. For scanned documents, use OCR enabled tools. Converting PDFs to Word document is much easier in 2026 than it used to be, so you no longer need advanced software or technical knowledge. So to sum it all up, that is basically the end of the video. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video till the end, do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn bell notifications on. It will really help me out a lot. And if there is anything that you need to know, something regarding this video or any question, do let me know down in the comments below and I will answer it to you straight away. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.